Good afternoon, everybody. Hello. Hello. Love, love, and more love. Here we go. It's Maida, Mrs. Garden. Here I am. Yeah. So, I'm in my shop today, working. Yeah, not really working. Put a zipper on my daughter's jacket. Yeah, my baby girl. I keep telling everybody when she comes home to visit, she bring dirty clothes for me to wash. She bring alterations, okay? Stuff for me to fix. This little cute dress for her. I hemmed it. Okay, Makita, that's done. And when I get the jacket done, then I'll send that care package for you. Yeah, I'm gonna send her a care package. But this is what I do. This is what I love to do. And for all of those who want to have it all, okay, check it out. I gotta be at work in 10 minutes. My phone's dying. I just wanted to get this jacket kind of started before I left. And then I'm gonna go to work. That's what I'm gonna do. But praise God, I'm close enough to work that I could put an angle like this. Like this is a blessing. I done know. Yeah, so I figure I'll get this started. Let's see. I love it. I am sewing what I love. But I'm finishing up my swimming suit when I get finished with this. Or doing alterations for a wedding gown or something. I'm always sewing. I love it. So I got a few minutes and I'm about to bounce. Do my thing. Okay, got to go make sure we're going to keep the lights on so sister can keep sewing. Okay. Because boy, the next time I'm packing up, starting over, well, not even starting over, just continuing what I've started, will be Jamaica, honey. I'm going to get away from the snow. I can't do this. Let me show you. Let me do it. I'm doing like it. Okay, turn the camera around, okay? We ain't got that swab yet. Hopefully. Let me see. I'm just opening the door. I know. We know exactly what's going on out here. Matter of fact, let me get ready to go to work. That's what I'm gonna do. Don't need that. Need my shoes. Y'all can see out the window. It's cold. Snow's coming out. It's just cold out there. Let me see no footprints out there. People like, forget that. I ain't going nowhere. Okay, let's not forget my bags. Got to be respectful to the utilities. Turn them off. I'm gonna close one of my blinds that way. Plants get a little bit of sun. Keep the room a little warm. Cause that controlled heat, honey. Let me show you what she's still doing. Look, it's cold. But it's cold. Thank God it's just me. And I got space heaters. Old school. Play with it if you want to. Okay, hopefully my phone don't cut off because do I have on 9 scarves or not? Okay. Let's get out of here. Get to work. Take this long walk. God is good. I know that. God is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all go. Do my thing. Love y'all. Gotta finish this kitchen up a little bit. Gotta wipe out some curtains right there. How about I do this right here in the snow? Y'all see that? The sun is shining, always shining on me. No matter where I'm standing, angle I'm at, the sun always manages to find me. You know why? Because I love the sun, and the sun knows that. So every time I see it and feel it, it comes directly to me. Everybody have a beautiful day. I love you. Love, love, and more love. Always time for love. Husband, can't wait to see you. Trying to figure out I'm going to go see Buju. Buju is coming, oh my God, in March in Kingston, Jamaica, the 16th, Saturday the 16th. There's only bleacher seats, but that don't matter none. You know how we do. Jamaica's going to be so lit on fire, they can see it probably from the spaceships. I'm telling you, it's going to be crazy. All the $150 seats are gone. Sold out the first day, I think, or the first few minutes or something crazy. But I'm trying to get some of the ladies to do a girls trip for that and help them do that. So I've been putting that on Facebook. So we'll see how that works out. But everybody have a beautiful day. Everybody. I'm out. Mrs. Gordon, see you in Jamaica.